Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm Aditya Singh, and today in this video we are going to see strategies for SPOM ICAI Law Paper. So I'll be sharing with you all the tips and tricks, strategies what I followed, how much time I took, what resources I have used in while cracking this SPOM set, and what I did one day before examination, how I managed my articleship along with my study. So to know all these things, let's get into video without wasting our time. Let's do it. So we will start with some important things that you need to keep in mind, that this paper will be case study. You don't have to read all the questions, all case studies. You just need to focus on the MCQs part, right? You have to just focus on the MCQs part. Just read the MCQs and get through the options and just mark your answer. That's it. And keep in mind that all the MCQs are in sequence wise. Is as per the one case study will be provided, and there can be 10 mark question, 5 question of 2 marks each. So it is there in a continuous series. So you have to solve in a continuous series only. That thing is clear. Okay. Now we have to do that. It may happen that your second question answer may be solved by the first MCQ. So you have to see the forward and backward MCQs as well, so that you can solve all the MCQs in a series. And it may possible that the MCQs answer is there in the comprehension as well. This happened in the cost paper, that MCQs was coming from the comprehension itself. So you can start the the MCQs test when it is scheduled, and you can end it up 5 minutes before the examination. Okay. Now, if you want to take washroom or washroom breaks, then you can take it. But after coming from the washroom, you have to sign at the reception that you went for the washroom. Okay. Next thing is very, very important, that you have to carry your ID card. That is, it can be voter ID card or Aadhaar card, PAN card, anything. But you need it for the must. They will check first. And there was an incident happened with my friend, that she forgot her Aadhaar card or any identity card at her home, and she was not able to give her paper. But fortunately, he called his brother, and he arrived at the center. The last time to enter the examination was 15 minutes delays is accepted after the time is scheduled. For example, if your test is going to start at 4 o'clock, then you can reach up to 4:15. So she came around 3:45. She got to know that her identity card is not there and she cannot sit for the examination. So what she did, that she called her brother, and she asked him for the Aadhaar card, and her brother came at the center immediately, and he helped her sister, and she was able to give that examination on time. So yeah, that was the case happened with me. So don't forget your identity card. Also, for the admit card, you have to take your admit card as well. There are around 3 to 4 pages of admit card. You don't need to carry all these pages. You just need to carry only first page of your admit card. So yeah, that was the point which I need to cover. And there might be different kind of candidates who are appearing for the set A, set B, set C, set D. If you're writing set A and B, then it is 3 hours of papers. And if you're writing for the set C and D, it is 2 hours. Okay, so it is there for 2 hours. So yeah, these were the basic points which I have discussed you. Now we are going to come on the important part of this video. So what I did, that I gave approx 7 days to this paper, and each and every day after my office, after my articleship, I used to give 2 to 3 hours daily. I started with watching Shubham Sringal sir video on YouTube, which is freely available, and I went through all his videos, and I kept on watching it, and it got completed. And then after, what I did, I took his concept note. I started solving the MCQs. Then I covered all the MCQs of the module, and I took the help of the very important notes which I found, and you must use it. That is Hemant Sumani's summary book it is very it was very helpful for me to crack the examination. It has all important MCQs. He has provided the crux of the MCQs, so you don't have to read all the case studies which is provided in the module. If you don't want to solve the module question, he has provided the crux of the MCQs in his summary book, and you just read one line and you'll get the answer. That's it. So MCQs were like this in his book. He has also provided with the penalty charts, numerical information, or some data which is very important, threshold limits. All he has covered in his book, and I went through it one day before my examination. I just mugged it up, and that's it. That was the thing with the penalty, threshold, all these limits. Now I'm going to tell you what to do about SEBI chapter, winding up chapter, and FEMA chapter. So directors chapter carry a lot of marks, so I covered it in the first priority, and then I went around smaller chapters of set A. I covered it all. Companies Acts carry a lot of marks, so that was also on priority list. Then I came upon SEBI, and then FEMA, and then winding up. For winding up, I just did MCQs. I solved the MCQs. I learned the datas, numerical datas. That's it. I just did in this much in winding up. In SEBI, I did a PDF which was circulating. If possible, I'll put it in the description box as well. So yeah, for SEBI, I have referred a PDF which is of 4 to 5 pages. It has all the important points of all the SEBI chapters in 4 to 5 pages. I just did that, and I solved the SEBI MCQs as well and the numerical data. That is the first priority. So for FEMA chapter, I just saw the revision lectures of FEMA chapter, which I have already studied in the CA Inter New Scheme. So yeah, and I didn't saw the whole FEMA Act. I just saw that part which came in my CA Inter examination, and that's how I completed FEMA chapter as well. So yeah, that was all the points which you need to keep in mind while preparing for the Set A Law Paper SPOM. And if possible, I'll provide all the material which I have mentioned in this video, and if I found it out, I'll attach in the description box as well. Yeah, so that was it for the day, and we'll see you in the next video, which is of SPOM Set B costing paper. I'll be sharing tips and tricks with you, how can you clear that paper as well. So we'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep watching, keep learning. Also, don't forget to subscribe and do hit the like button as well. Bye.